Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna do a quick get ready with me. It's my birthday, but by the time I upload this, it's gonna be past my birthday. So just brush my hair and apply some chapstick. So I did just turn 24 June 2nd, but the reason I'm not doing a full get ready with me is because I barely had time to get ready, okay? Girl, it was a busy day. So I'm just brushing my eyebrows right now. And I'm just gonna apply some powder to my eyebrows. And if you guys want to know how I did my eyeshadow and my face, I will leave the links down below in the description box, and also I'll have them at the end of the video for you guys. So I did decide to do some curls on my hair, and I'm using this curler that I did get as a gift from this brand. And right here I'm just holding the lock button so it doesn't keep changing temperatures on me. I'm starting from the top and just straightening that out a little bit. And then at the bottom I just curl it and curl it right up to right there, kind of like the middle of my hair. Gives you these cute little waves. So at first it does leave them tight, but you have to wait until the end and then kind of like brush it out with your fingers. And don't forget to apply some heat protector before this. And then I'm just going over that straight part with my straightener so it can be just a little bit more sleek. And that's it. This was my finished look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.